Want to replace the sky in any photo? Let's do it in Photoshop. Open your photo in Photoshop. The easiest way to change the sky is to go to Edit, then Sky Replacement. You'll see lots of different skies to choose from. Just click one, and it automatically changes the sky. Some skies might not fit your image perfectly. Try different ones to find the best match. Want to use your own sky? Here's how. Click the group icon to create a new sky group. I'm naming it My Skies. Click OK. Press the plus icon to add your own sky photos. Use Ctrl and A to select all your sky photos, then click OK to load them. Now, click each photo to see it change instantly. I'm choosing this one. If the colors aren't quite right, no worries, we can fix it. Slide the shift edge left or right to blend the sky with your photo. Play with the sliders to adjust until you're happy. You can tweak brightness for a better match. Choosing a sky with similar lighting to your original photo helps a lot. Adjust the sky temperature for a natural look. Or resize the scale for bigger or smaller sky details. Looks perfect. That's the sky adjustment done. You can also adjust the foreground, like changing its color. I'm happy with it, so I'll hit OK at the bottom for a new layer output. Here, you'll see your photo and sky layers. Next, add a levels adjustment layer to tweak color and lighting for a realistic feel. Go to the top, where the brightness layer is clipped to the sky layer. Hold Alt and click between layers to create a clipping mask. This ensures the effect only applies to the sky layer. My main photo has a bluish tone, so I'll adjust the blue and green channels. Add some blue to the shadows or highlights to match the main photo. We tweak it to make the sky feel more realistic. Add a hue/saturation adjustment and clip it to the sky layer. Set the adjustment for a perfect blend. For a final touch, add a photo filter to all layers for a consistent, realistic color tone. That's it. Your photo now looks amazing.